Hello, my name is Leah Olson, and I would like to invite you to the Introduction to Small Business class. Are you interested in a small business? Here are the skills that you will learn to run your business in my class. You will learn basic business planning. In fact, we will create a 12-step business plan. You will learn about customer service, communication skills, marketing skills, computer skills, and you will have the opportunity to earn North Star certificates for computer skills. You will also practice financial planning for your business and interview skills. The Intro to Small Business class begins on Monday, January 4th, 2021. We have a Google Meet class that meets Monday through Thursday, 12 o'clock to 1:30 p.m. And it is an 11-week course which ends March 18th. In addition, we have online practice. You can practice basic math, computer skills, and business skills. Again, my name is Leah Olson. I have more than 20 years teaching experience with adults, and I have been training teachers for over 15 years. I also have some business experience as a curriculum consultant, which means that I prepare teaching materials for teachers and programs, and I also am an author of teaching materials and textbooks. There are 3 ways to sign up. Tell your teacher, email me, Leah Olson, at leah.conklin@spps.org, or call Nicole, who will be our navigator to help us with the class. And her number is 651-583-5119. Sign up today. I look forward to seeing you in January 4th, 2021.